Yes, people, welcome to our exclusive unboxing of the Yeezy Boost 700 V3 Azareth. Not sure if I'm saying that right. Let me know in the comments below if it is wrong. I'm sure you will. But before we get into the shoe itself, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button. And as per usual, check out the solesupplier.co.uk. Turn on release reminders and that way you will never miss a drop. So this shoe has grown on me massively. When I first saw it on the old IG, I was like, that is absolutely terrible. Who'd want to wear that? And now I want to wear that. So as per usual, we've got the Yeezy 700 box, and it is going to make the big farting noise as soon as I close it. But what more could you ask for from a Yeezy box? Because if it doesn't fart, then is it even real? Let's hear it. Spare laces. There it is. There's the boy. That's what you've all been waiting for. That is the money shot. Now this shoe is clean as anything in hand. So the Yeezy V3 upper is absolutely crazy. As you can see, we've got these molded overlays and then a nice Primeknit on the underneath. And then the blue hits on this shoe ensure that it stands out. So the white midsole really makes this shoe stand out and is an ultimate summer popper. Shout out to Kanye for releasing it when summer's ended. I mean, it's raining outside. What a time. This is then got a nice translucent sole unit, orange hits, which will get dutty within a second. But this shoe for me, there's one flaw to it. So I'm a UK 10, this is a UK 10. I put it on and all of a sudden it felt like my foot had been chopped off. There was no circulation whatsoever going to my toes. So if you are trying to cop a pair of these, I'd go at least half a size, maybe even a full size up because they are so goddamn tight. And this is due to this sock liner that we have here. I mean, look, they're stretchy, but it's like, I've got to proper pull it up. A very unusual lacing system as well. So this is the only way you can tighten it. Not that you're going to want to tighten it because obviously your foot's already dead when you're wearing them. But this is what is perplexing me, yeah? So if we go like this, as you can see, the lace unit is very much sewn in. This is impossible to tear. So then we get spare laces. How am I meant to put these spare laces in if I can't take the lace out? This is a riddle for you guys in the comment section. I'm sure you're going to come up with an answer. And if you're hoping to try and cop a pair of these, they'll be £170 and releasing at select retailers from this coming Saturday, August the 29th. But guess what? They're going to be a difficult cop as per usual with Yeezys because there's a lot of hype to them. And this is probably the best 700 V3 yet. Yeah, I've said it. Let me know what your favorite 700 silhouette is in the comments below. And if you are hoping to cop these for resale, they could be a pretty penny to be made. But as per usual, wear your goddamn shoes. And if you buy them in your size, cut your goddamn foot off because you will not want to wear them for too long. I've been Chris from the Sole Supplier. This has been the Yeezy 700 V3 Azareth. Make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button as per usual. We'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See you.